Hi, good afternoon. This is Sherman Crancer, Senior Partner Development Manager for Microsoft, and this is the Microsoft Partner of Tomorrow series. So this is the second installment of the series, and we're going to be talking about profitability scenarios. So in the last series, we had talked at length about what are the Partner of Tomorrow partners doing, right, and how are they accelerating through sales. So now the second thing that they do is they're really focused on profitability. Now I would imagine that many of you are sitting back and thinking, gosh, that's our biggest problem right now, is how do we create scenarios that we're going to increase profitability. But you need to understand the very most important thing, which is called the profitability staircase. Understanding your business is what's really important. So when you took a look at the profitability staircase, it's basically three separate different columns, types of businesses that you're going to run. In the first set, there's the project-based partner, right, on the profitability staircase. Next, there's the managed services partner, and then the third piece of the columns, right, the three columns, is going to be the IP portion of the profitability staircase. Now, in these three different lines of business, what's important to understand is what type of returns that you're going to be getting if you're in that. So if you're a partner who's just in project business, right, you're just doing one at a time, one deal at a time, and then you're waiting for the next deal. You can look to get anywhere between 15 and 25% profit margin within your business. It's healthy. However, the problem with that is you don't have any recurring revenue and you don't have any valuation assigned to your business. Now, if you take the second column in the profitability staircase and you take a look at that, and that's for managed service providers. So that's like the natural progression, right, for partners. And we see within the MSP business between 35 and 42% profit margin for your business, and you're starting to get monthly recurring revenue. You're starting to see a valuation to your business. However, there's a bit of a problem. You're marketing everything to everyone, fierce competition, cost of marketing is extensive, very difficult. Well, where we see the most profitable partners, the Partners of Tomorrow, they decided that, hey, just like we talked about in the last one, they're going to stop being everything to everyone, and they're going to create vertical packages for specific verticals. They're going to open up their database of clients, and they're going to say, okay, what is in the biggest quadrant of my clients? Where do they all fall? They're all attorneys, or are they in medicine? Are they in any different manufacturing? And they're going to say, okay, now we're going to create something for that. So with that, we see profit margins anywhere between 42 and 60% profit margins. All depends on how you build that package. All right, next is the packaging concept. A lot of you are probably wondering, hey, how do I put together this great package that's going to really sing to somebody who is going to buy my product? And I'm kind of confused. A lot of times people say, I'm kind of confused on the packaging concept. No one's buying my packages. So the first thing we need to understand is the least common denominator. So there's a lot of people out there that you may end up losing because your primary package is too expensive. So what you want to do is you want to set it up on your website where you have three verticals when they see them, so they can identify with you. And then when they click on one vertical, they're going to have three packages in that vertical. And you're going to be, package A, it could be light, right? So package light. And this package has 3 or 4 things in it, but it's really aimed to get people into your business, right? And to test the waters on something that you can provide them. Secondly, is now this is where you want to go with your package. This is where you want most of your clients to be, because you can focus on these specific things. Now, that package is going to be probably 75% more in cost than the entry-level package. And then you want to have on your third one probably 3 times the cost of your mid-range package. You want to have like an enterprise type of package. This way, you can do 2 things. One, you can kind of control your total cost of sales, which is really important, right? Because you're focusing on things. You're kind of herding everybody into one specific area. And then 2, you're not losing on any of your clients, right? Because what you're doing, or potential clients, you're getting them in. You're getting them to try something, and then you're assigning a customer success manager, right, to this to help increase what we call the velocity of sales, right? The velocity of sales, that's what's really important. Stop doing 3 or 4 deals a year. How do we get to 24, 25 deals a year? That's what's important, and that's what the Partners of Tomorrow are really doing. What they're also thinking about with this packaging, what they are specifically doing is reducing business risk. How much business risk do you have if you're offering everything to everyone? Do you have the time to actually understand every bit of those applications that you're providing everything to everyone? No, you're minimizing your business risk by that. And then we also already talked about lowering the total cost of sales. My name is Sherman Crancer. Thanks so much for checking out this installment. Wait till next week. We've got another great installment for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.